Coronavirus outbreak. Military to help NHS cope with major coronavirus outbreak contingency plans and proposed emergency laws for pandemic emerge as UK confirms 20th case. Coronavirus, latest news. Dennis Campbell and Matthew Weaver. Friday the 28th of February 2020. 13.57 share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share via email. The UK is facing its first significant test of how to contain a potential coronavirus outbreak after the government confirmed a 20th victim of COVID-19 and details began to emerge of its contingency planning and emergency legislation for an upsurge in cases. The latest patient in England is the first to contract the illness while in the UK. The Chief Medical Officer, Professor Chris Whitty, said it was unclear whether the man from Surrey contracted it directly or indirectly from someone who had recently returned from abroad. This is being investigated and contact tracing has begun. The patient has been transferred to a specialist NHS infection centre at Guy's and St Thomas's Hospital. The Guardian has been told there are now fears that a doctor from the patient's surgery may also have been infected with the virus. If confirmed, this would prompt particular concern as the GP would routinely have seen scores of patients over the course of the last week. As part of the official UK action plan being drawn up by ministers and Whitty, military medics, and British Red Cross and St John ambulance personnel will be drafted in to help the NHS cope with a major outbreak. Under ministerial planning for a reasonable worst-case scenario of a potential pandemic, doctors and nurses working for the armed forces would help at hospitals where staff who have the virus are too ill to work or are self-isolating at home. Made by Mohammed Nadeem.